Welcome back to the Checkout Guy. In this video, I will tell you how to restrict COD for customers like wholesale or fraud. So if you're new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. So I have used this advanced cash on delivery app from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box so you can check it out. Then we will go to the customer section and we will enter the tag here. Select any of the customer and then you can enter that wholesale tag here. So here you can see tag has been added. Now save your changes. Now we will add another tag of fraud. Tag has been added. Now save your changes. Now we will use this advanced cash on delivery app. Click on advanced cash on delivery app. Then click on limit COD based on customer configure button. Then select your payment method, that is cash on delivery. If you have already added fee for cash on delivery using this COD fee option, then toggle on this button and you need to select a delivery method here. We don't have any fee for cash on delivery, so I'm toggling off this button. Then change the status to enabled and select hide COD for the customer with tag. And we will enter the tag here again. First we will enter for the wholesale and then for the fraud. So now tag has been added. Save your changes. If you're liking this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Now we will test this setup on our online store. Go to catalog. Add any product to your cart. And you just need to enter that particular customer's email address here to test this. So I am adding this customer's email address. So here you can check only prepaid options are available. Cash on delivery is not available. So now I am testing it for the another customer. So same, you can see only prepaid options are available. Cash on delivery is hidden for that both customers where we have set the tags using this advanced cash on delivery app. So I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.